What's going on, guys? Cheddar Paul here with another reaction video. This time, Tekkno Train. Now, I'm kind of going to throw in my album review within this video. I feel that this is the standout song for me that was... it was either Arrow of Love or it was Tekkno Train were the standout songs for me. Coming off the album's release, all the other tracks like Neon and Parasite are absolute bangers, and Mind Reader, they're the other tracks, but this is the one that stood out for me the most. And I really wish I'd managed to listen to the, like, the problem that I had is this, the day this came out, I worked nights. This come out later that day. I don't have time to record it, but I'm in such short space of time where I'm seeing them next week. I had to get acquainted to it. So this has been listened to, and it's amazing. It's just amazing. But so far, my biggest gripe that I have is UK media. What a shambles. Kerrang gave their album a 2 out of 5, and they, whoever was reviewing it, does not like fun. I see you. You don't like fun. There's everything wrong with that review. They've missed the point of what this band is. And if you were to take the album on face value, a lot of the songs are very all over the place because that's the whole point. It's the whole point. They weren't really released to make an album, or at least that wasn't the impression. They were released throughout like a year and a half, throughout lockdown. And it's just an album full of bangers. Does it need to have a theme? No. Do they need to like blend into each other? No. But these people just so far a stick up their ass, they haven't got a clue what they're on about. I really can't believe that this is why no one reads Kerrang anymore. Just putting it out there. This to me was Slipknot. It was not a bad track on it. All the way through. You can listen to the whole thing, track for track for track for track, in order, and not really... We don't care. You just can listen to the whole goddamn thing. And it's fantastic. So, yeah, this... if you haven't listened to Tekkno already, make sure that you do. The full album is amazing. Going from, like, with the track listing of Pump It, we know that one. We got the moves, amazing. Fuckboy was one of the first ones I reacted to alongside a live version of Spaceman, and those two cracking tracks, absolute bangers, as me and my lot call them. And then it just goes into a bunch of new ones besides Hurricane. But even Hurricane came out very recently as well. But it's just a lot of fun. And it, you know, if you don't like fun, you're in the wrong place. So, let's get into it. But don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to put a choo-choo in the comments. I knew this was going to be a good one when I heard the intro. This is so 90s.
Take a ride on the Tekkno train ride. Now take your seat, open up for the pounding bass deep inside. Yeah, shaky, shaky, sweaty, sweaty. You make my spaghetti ready. Heat up the sauce, it's a dinner for one. You better hold on tight, cause we're rolling again. Through the wetness now, and the nature is pain. And when it's getting messy, we're taking the blame. Cause I need you to stay on my Tekkno train. There is a whole new world.
And it's just got a stompy chorus. Just the whole song's a massive stomper.
Destination love, but pleasure up above. You really can't stop the heat. I got lipstick on my feet. Licky, licky, sucky, sucky. Yeah, you make my love.
It's like a bad 90s song.
Time, go get your dinner for one.
But done better.
There is a whole new world that you need to explore.
listening to the breakdown, but just like, how can you not enjoy this? Like, how much fun is this? Like, the lyrics in the verses are just so ridiculous. Looky, sucky. And it just sounds like Scooter, late 90s, early 2000s. But ever since Nico joined, it's just everything flows. And I feel that this was their real making point.
Attention please, the 69 EC service Tekkno train on platform A, M, P, and V to Climax City is arriving ahead of schedule. We're sorry for any lost enjoyment.
I'm gonna take it right now and get over this rage rain, but I really need to feel it now and get
Oh, just wait for it.
We're riding on the Tekkno train. We're riding out of time. There is a whole new world to explore.
Oh. That's literally amazing.
We're riding on the Tekkno train. We're riding out of time.
I gotta play that again because it's just too good not to. It just... I caught myself at the end of that just beaming this big smile and just... Music should be just this fun. Like, you can... Fun, just good vibes, good feels. You know, you can get that from any kind of thing from this. You can get it from AC/DC. You can get it from the Lamb of Gods. Your Devil Drivers. And your Real Big Fish, like anything. And it just... It leaves that little warm, fuzzy feeling. And I like... As soon as I saw the track listing and I saw Tekkno Train, I went, please tell me there's a Choo Choo in it. I had it in the back of my head. I went, come on, they have to. And they did it. Oh, that's just so good. I can't. Thomas the Tank Engine coming through. This is what music's about. This is why I love doing this channel. This is why I love reacting to music. And it was Call Boy that got me kind of started in it. It's because of how much I just enjoy this band. And watching people like show their face and their genuine reaction to it is just joyful. And I just can't wait to see what else they're going to do in the future. We got a banger of an album out. Now we just got to see what they do next. It'll be probably... I kind of think we'll get at least a year before we get a new album. If we get any songs next year, and they just start cracking out songs, that will be amazing. But next year, I've got my whole heart set on the Must Play Download Festival. And I believe that they are bigger, like the hype is around them enough, throw them on the main stage, or give them a really good slot in like the second stage. Like, that's personally what I would do. Europe, throwing them on main stage and good slots everywhere. Follow suit. This needs to be shown to more people. All right. Thank you all for watching. And again, I appreciate the subscriptions, the likes, and the comments. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care of yourself.